Right, so then, hi everyone, yeah. Today, we're going to try and get this tank back together. Which may be easy, or may not be easy. Who can say? I don't know. Well, yeah, I think the motor is good enough now. I mean, that front wheel's turning quite nicely now. It's been oiled, isn't it? It's better than it was. It'll see when it hits something, nothing, as the motor drives it forward, the wheel spins round and then it goes like that. Yeah, that's what I think it goes like. So that wheel just slots on there like that. The motor's all, well, it's been resting for a week, so the oil is no longer dripping all over the place, and it seems to be all in there now anyway, at least. Yeah. So yeah, so let's get on with this then. Let's get on with this, and then after this, I have this plan to have it running on the surface so you can see what it actually does. That's going to take some setting up, but it won't be this video. We'll have it running. Hopefully the flint will stay where I put it and not come out. I hope it does anyway. And then I'll show you it running on a surface, and hopefully that bump and go action will operate correctly. So, So then, now, one thing I did notice with this turret, when I looked at the inside to take it out, I thought, oh, that'd be easy. It's only got 3 tabs. It hasn't actually, it's got 4. But one of them, this one, you can see, it's bent round there. These are the 3 I got out. This one was never in, and it was sort of tilted up a bit on the corner. So we'll straighten that out so we can get all the tabs in, which would be good, wouldn't it? Can't see what I'm doing. Where is that? Yeah. So we'll straighten this one out. It's never been put together right, has it, this tank? So yeah. So, yes, you see, the tank doesn't go together right. It's not together right, is it? This one, full stop. Now, so then that, the flint's in there. At least we hope it is. Yeah, where is it at? Yeah, it's moving right. It's moving right. So, tilt it round here. We can see how to get this turret on. Get one of the tabs in. Yeah. Oh dear, I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, goodness. That's it. I think. Is that one in? No, that one's not in. There we go. I think that's them all in. Can't see this one down here. It's difficult to see where it's in or not. Well, if the turret's down flat, I take it must be in then. So, I was thinking this morning, what I really need is one of those toffee hammers. You know? One of those little tiny hammers you can get for breaking up hard toffee, which you used to be able to get in the 1960s. I need to really look out for one of those. I never do look out for one though. God, I hate doing this. I really do. Yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. This isn't as easy as it makes it out to be, is it? This stupid turret thing. I can't even see what I'm doing. wheel off, it's rattling about. Well, that's one down. I'll get this one down. Oh goodness, what a pain it all is. You can push it down with a screwdriver. Might be easier. Oh yeah, much easier. Trouble is these ones are very bright inside at the back. I don't know how I'm going to get those down. I don't know, hang on. So I can bend them down a bit with these pliers. Get them started. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Where's that one? Where's this one? It's right round the back of where the flint wheel is. I don't even know where that even is, that one. I can't even see where it is. Can't even be seen. Yeah. No, you can't get in there with a hammer. See, if I did one of those little tiny hammers, it would be so easy. But I haven't got one. You would think it would be the most useful thing in the world. Which it would be. Wouldn't it? That's that one. That's 3 down. Now, this other one, which I can't even see where it goes in. It's sort of there. Can't even actually get to it. It's sort of, I don't know where it is. Where the other one goes in. Just knows. That's probably why it was never in. That's probably why it was bent round, because you can't actually get to the place where the other one goes in. How stupid is that? It's sort of right where all this business is with a start-stop switch, and you cannot get to where you have to press it down. But at least anyway the turret is on. Question is, how will it be with a flint? I don't know. How will it be? Is the flint even on there? No. No, it is not on there. Hang on. Let's wind this a bit and see. I don't know, I can't even see what is going on here. It's sort of not possible to see in all these little dark places. You need to see, so I'll have to use this LED bulb. I think I'm going to come on. Let's see. See that? The flint isn't even in straight now. How can that be like that? Ugh, goodness. Goodness. Well, it looks like it's there. It's sort of there. Maybe it'll be alright, who knows? I don't know. I don't know anything, do I? Obviously. Now then, next thing to do is to get the side on, which is easy. That part is very easy to do, she says, hopefully. Well, you know. So then, this wheel is only held on by the fact that the side is on. It has these 4 little lugs on one side, and it has a sort of serrated axle, so they that's held in place then. Let's see, what's it, minute. So, then we put this piece on, and hopefully all those things will fit in. Hopefully they will, anyway. I don't know, some of these. Oh, I don't know, why does everything have to be so tricky? Just does, I guess. Just does have to be tricky, doesn't it? It has to be tricky, otherwise anyone could do this if it wasn't tricky, can they? Anybody could do it. Oh. I think the trick is to get it in the top first. I don't like the way some of these tabs aren't straight. Some of them seem to have got bent. Anyway. So, get in there. Oh, I can't see. I can't do it bending over like that. It's so hard. Hang on. Not the best light in here. Can't even see what I'm doing. It's so difficult. Get on. Why is things so easy to take apart, but not so easy to put back together? Shouldn't be like that, should it? Really? Really, it shouldn't be like that. Here we go, you can see now. When I get this on, when I get all these tabs to go through the metalwork, and I can see where they actually are. Hang on, I'll stop, hang on, wait a minute. Yeah, so this is going to be sort of edited video here, because I've had to stop doing it on the camera to get the side back on. Really difficult, because the tabs are so thin and bendy that as soon as you put the side on, the whole tab sort of bends down. So you've got to then straighten it up again and work your way round. It's not like the whole thing slots together like a snap together plastic kit, you know? You just, the bits just go together automatically. It's not like that. So what I had to do was start at the back, get the back in, and then work my way round the top, getting all the tabs through, get the axle to go through the side, which wasn't easy either. But hey, this is where we're at. So look, I've managed to get the side on, but I haven't knocked all the tabs down, so I thought I'd do that for you. We got, where have we got? We got this one. We got this one. This one. This one. That one, I don't know about. Where is that one? No. I don't know where that is. Who knows where that one's gone? Probably bent down inside, isn't it? Oh no, it hasn't. I've done it. Yeah, so they're all in now. All the tabs are in. And so, there we go. It's back together. I was a bit concerned about the solder. When it was apart, the solder was leaning over to one side. I thought, well, that wasn't like that before. So, and I've had a look at the flint, and it does appear that it might work. I don't know, can't guarantee it. I'm a bit scared to wind it up, to be honest, in case the splinters comes out, because that would be so bad. Anyway, so, and it was also quite hard to get this axle to go through this hole as well. I don't know why there's a hole here. Don't see that, don't get that. But then round the other side, of course, you've got the same axle going through this side. Actually, some of these tabs aren't down too good. Let's sort that out as well, why not? Some of these tabs ain't down too good. Yeah. This one certainly isn't. I think it'll work better if it's all together, don't you? Yeah. Should do. Yeah, the whole thing is very bendy. I reckon it was made in the Second World War. I don't know. Well, nobody made anything, did they, in the Second World War? And toy factories, they all devoted themselves to the war effort, didn't they? Making bullets and shells and parts for aeroplanes and that. I hope they didn't use this metal to make parts for aeroplanes, because the aeroplane will fall apart, wouldn't it? Anyway, so that's that back together now. Yeah, to do that off camera, it was so hard. So tricky it was. So, anyway, I found that brass key I had before. I'm going to see if I can wind it and we'll see what will happen. Because I have no idea. Probably won't work at all. That'd be about right, wouldn't it? Not working at all. Stop. Yeah. Okay. The minute you wind it, the sniper disappears inside the tank. I'm not going to wind it too much because it could be tricky. Alright. Who knows what this will do? Probably won't work at all. Be about my luck, that, wouldn't it? Hey, we've got sparks, look. Whoa-hey! Hang on. I got a better idea. I'll turn these lights out. You can see the sparks even better. I'm so pleased that works. I'm so glad it does. Wait a minute. Turn these all lights out here. It's never light in this flat with all the lights on, but I'm so glad that spark works. Right, here we go. I'll wind her again. That's really good, that, isn't it, eh? Do you think that's really brilliant? Now I can't find the key because it's all dark. Here we go. Right, she's on stop, I believe. Yep. God, it smells like someone's been firing guns in here. There's a smell of cordite. Or not. It's the smell of the burning spark flint thing. Right, ready? Here we go. Ready for this? Because I sure am. You ready? Here we go. What's this gun? Got rid of it. Hang on. Yeah, I see what's going on. That flint thing shifts sideways. I don't know why it does that. I shouldn't know what to do that, really. Yeah. Oh, I see. Well, that worked for a bit, didn't it? That wasn't too bad, was it? See if we can get. See how that's that flint wheel and that flint decides to be stupid and not work correctly. Yeah, I want it again, hang on. You need to see this really, don't you? Because it's so good. Because it took me a long time to fix this. Even more so long time to get it back together. The fact that it still works, I think, is a brilliant idea. But you have to fiddle about with that flint arm, as I described in that other video I did. You have to fiddle about with this flint arm. Make sure the flint is in the right position on the wheel. Yeah. But as I mentioned in the last video, you cannot get that flint out without taking the tank apart, which I think is why it never was taken. Oh well, I don't know. It never had a flint in it, did it? And that's why, you see. And you see, there's that other tab there, which you can't actually get to where it bends round. But then that was never in place in the first place. There we go. It's like fireworks day, isn't it? Fireworks day. So there you go. She works. Isn't that good? Are you glad? I am. I think that's really cool. So yeah, we're going to work out a way to extend the area of this place I'm working on. I've got this huge sheet of perspex, which I'm going to have to move furniture about to get it on here. And then I've got a big, enormous sheet of cardboard, which I'm going to put on top of that. And see if I can get this tank to run. Because it won't run on the perspex, because the wheels don't have any grip, do they? So yeah. And the soldier's behaving himself, and it's all good. Isn't it? Really? I think so. And the flint works. Let's see how much that's worn down. Yeah, the flint is actually sideways, but yeah, you can't help that, can you? But at least it held in place, didn't it? That was good, wasn't it? Did you enjoy that? I did. Yeah. So that's that one then. And the next video I show of this, you will see it running about with any luck. Okay, thanks. Bye!